Hi, welcome to the Ultimate Flutter course. I am Akshit Jhatakya from i-Plex Tutorials will be your instructor during this series. Let's see what we will learn. We will develop a notekeeper app in the beginning. Then we will develop the news app with better UI experience so that you can publish your app in Play Store as well as in App Store. Before starting Flutter, let me tell you the story of Bob. He is an iOS developer and he has developed an iOS application based on grocery. It is very efficient and useful for the customers. So customers has demanded that when that application will be available in Play Store, that means in Android. Now Bob has to develop that application in Android. So he has to maintain code bases which is iOS as well as Android, which seems difficult. And that app must run efficiently in all iPhone models as well as in Android models with each and every screen size. That means our application UI must remain same in iPad as well as in tablets also. So here comes Flutter in the scene. By using Flutter we can develop iOS application as well as Android application with same code base. Flutter is the best cross-platform tool. So what is Flutter? Flutter is an open source SDK which is used to build native looking applications like Android and iOS from the same code base. Flutter uses Dart language. Dart is strongly typed language, I mean statically typed. It is developed by Google. It also supports JIT compilation, that is just-in-time compilation. So there would be faster compilation during the development. That means whenever we make changes in our code, the output will be reloaded faster in our emulator or in our devices with no time. That is also called as hot reload. It also supports AOT compilation, that is ahead of time compilation. When our app is released in the market, user can experience better, faster and efficient execution of our application. So that would be advantageous for developers as well as for users, as Flutter provides JIT compilation as well as AOT compilation. So now we will see installation of Flutter in next part. Thank you so much guys. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.